Where are you going, sir?
To Oslo. To Oslo.
To Oslo? What will you do there?
Vacation video. Good. Very good.
Fresh bacon. take Bangga for travel. And I will annoy him in the flight tonight. Haha. No, you're good. Now we're resting because Bangga is tired. We are not yet in Copenhagen, but he is tired already with my walking ideas, guys. These are pretty guys. I'm joking. No, crop that.
I will not crop.
Delete it.
I'm not a deleter. I'm a keeper.
What is right now? Söndag servedet. Bare deg?
Hvorfor det? Du må spare batteri.
Einde av de Norwegian Østbydei rundtur.
Going to Denmark.
Flying guys.
There's a plane. Plane over there. Order. Nå skal vi til Hedebag. Bagger, svære kofferten.
The smallest comfort in the world.
Super heavy comfort ever.
9 kilos only.
Kommer plass til 20 kilo på den.
Opp til hvor den da pakker. Og det har klart 15.
I suppose it's inside like a cardboard envelope. I hope it's that because I brought it. No, I was really in a hurry to.
It's like this big.
Yeah, understand what I'm saying. It's like coming on over.
Now we are in Schopenhauer, Schopenhaven, and we are looking for our hotel. Very nice. Where is our hotel? We don't know. That is a surprise. There's maybe this one? No. Now I'm going to try out this Danish hot dog. If I like it or not.
I forgot the paper.
Are you hungry?
I'm very hungry. It's very spicy. Veldig mørkt. Veldig mørkt. Very dark. I don't see anything. Now you're going in this scary alley in Denmark. Very scary here. So dark. We're almost near our expensive hotel ever. Now we are close. This is our Hotello Scandic France. This is magic button. Very nice. Very fancy. Time to enter our suite.
Scanna.
Oh, you did it? This?
Ja. Altså 3-4 etasjer.
Jeg vet ikke. Er det to?
Ja. Det står 2 jo.
Ja, to.
Ja, fordi det er andre. Hvis det er 3, 2.
Det er rom.
Og så har jeg på venstre side.
You've been here before?
Nei.
This is my hotel. Assassin. Not assassin. Assistant. Room 222.
Det var den branntrappa.
Yes.
Her kom den siste.
Yes. card. Card. Okay, very fancy. You. Okay, I film. This smells a bit weird here. Yeah, it smells kind of weird. This is my bed. Smells very bad here, but it's okay. I can open my window. This I can look out tomorrow. This is my bed. My bed. And what is this in the bed here? LOL. What is this? Oh, this is for the ear.
What are you thinking?
This is for the ear. Or no, it's candy. It's candy. It's Pride candy. It's Pride candy. And this is a Pride card. Very nice. I will keep this card like a memory. Then
What's that?
and wait. This is free tea. Very nice. We drink tea tomorrow. And this is the code for Wi-Fi. And a TV. And non-smoking. And this chair is for me.
Yes, and you.
It's a little bit bad light there. There's a wallpaper of Panga eating cake.
Yeah. Go to the toilet.
Yes, I will show the toilet. This is my toilet. Finally, I have a big toilet. Big toilet. This is my toilet. There's no bathtub. I want bathtub. But I did not get any bathtub today. This is shower. There's no. Oh look, it's noodle. It's noodle shower head. The noodle shower head, very nice. Look. Noodle shower head. Very nice. Very nice. Let's check out the toilet. Okay, very nice. I did not understand how this sink works. I don't want to break it. Very fancy.
So nice. Pangga the top din.
Jeg har sett på nyttårsaften.
Ja, kan vi komme tilbake her?